So guys, in this video we will learn how you can find out your Facebook account password. In today's video we will use very simple tricks to find out your Facebook password. So let's get started. For the first trick, you need to open your Chrome browser, then tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on the second last option, which is settings. After that, tap on Google Password Manager option. Once you open the Google Password Manager page, you will see all the passwords saved on your phone here, and there is a high chance that your Facebook password is saved here as well. You just need to tap on the Facebook password and you will able to see your Facebook account password. For the second trick, you need to open your Facebook application and then tap on the three lines at the bottom right. Then tap on the settings icon. If you don't find the settings icon, scroll down to settings and privacy and tap on it. Then you will see the settings option. So simply tap on this option. After going into settings, tap on the see more in account center option. Then tap on password and security option and then tap on the change password option. Like I am tapping on the change password option here. You just need to tap on the forget your password option and an OTP will be sent to the phone number or email linked with your Facebook account. After filling in the OTP, you will get an option to create a new password. Create a new password and note it down somewhere. So you can use these two methods to find out your Facebook account password. If you have any questions, please comment on this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.